Weather is brought to you by your locally owned Midas in Belleville, Brockville, and Kingston. With the industry's best warranties and over 1,000 five-star reviews, come and experience the Midas difference.
Our uneventful forecast continues, and in fact, we may see a little more sunshine tomorrow thanks to some clearing overnight. That wind's going to diminish too. Light, almost non-existent breezes through the day tomorrow. Partly cloudy and mild. Mixed precipitation for Thursday, though. There's a couple lows working to sort of bring this frontal boundary to our region, and we'll show you that in just a moment. Mixed precipitation for Thursday, still mild. Clearing and slight cooling Friday. But even with the drop in temperature, we still see those daytime highs above normal and not really dropping or bottoming out in the overnight either. Sunny and seasonal conditions ahead. We've got a really nice forecast for you. So stay tuned. The good news is a-coming. We've got daytime highs around the freezing mark from Peterborough to Brockville, a little cooler in Smiths Falls and Ottawa, -4 in the nation's capital, a +2 in Oshawa and Toronto today. So everybody's above normal. Winds were light to moderate. It was kind of just a lovely day in the neighborhood, wasn't it? 0 is where we're sitting now. Southeast winds at 17 kilometers per hour, and we're looking at a bit of cloud out there, but through the overnight we're going to see that clear up. No precipitation today, and yes, we gained another 2 minutes of daylight. Yeah, I love it. So this low pressure system here that looked like it was coming towards us, bringing us some active weather, is being pushed out of the way as we see high pressure here and here, sort of moving it south, not just that natural sort of west to east motion these lows usually take as they ride that jet stream. The jet stream sort of dropping a little farther and taking it out to sea. So we'll enjoy, thanks to this area of high pressure that's a bit closer, we're going to get a strong ridge, and that's going to clean things up for most of us anyway. The best part will be mainly sunny. Some areas may see a mix of sun and cloud. There may be a few of us in the immediate area that could see cloudy with sunny periods. But you will get some sunshine tomorrow. Low pressure dropping in. This one likely to bring a bit of snow. It's more so an issue to the north and east. But along the north shores of Lake Ontario, we're looking at a little wet flurry or periods of snow, mixed with showers possibly. There's even that risk of some freezing rain as those plus temperatures turn to minus temperatures in the evening. This is where we're sitting now. A bit of cloud, but it does clear up nicely. Hoping for some sunshine tomorrow. Not everybody getting total sunshine. I'm expecting a mix of sun and cloud for the immediate Kingston area, but we do have Thursday that increase in cloud and that chance of some flurries as that trough. There it is here. Dropping in from the north, and it won't be till Thursday evening overnight that we see that probability out of the way, and then right back to some sunshine again. It doesn't last long, and look, even with that push from the north, we're not seeing temperatures bottom out. 1 for a high Friday, and only dipping to a -7 in the Belleville area Friday night. So Belleville, enjoy that +4 tomorrow, a mix of sun and cloud. Thursday, cloudy with sunny periods, a high 3, and about a 40% chance of a wet flurry or shower. And yes, Friday, back to nice conditions. Again, a mix of sun and cloud, a high of 1. Brockville rising to 3 Celsius tomorrow. Cloudy with sunny periods. Thursday, +3. And a good chance of the flurries and showers. You're a little farther east. You've got a higher probability of the wet flurries. And then Friday, a high -1 and a mix of sun and cloud. Smiths Falls up to 4 tomorrow, cloudy with sunny periods. Thursday, +3, and yeah, a good 80% chance of some wet snow. Could be mixed with a shower. There's even a risk of freezing rain as we drop into the minus range that evening. Friday, high -2. We do get a minus double digit in the Smiths Falls area overnight Friday into Saturday morning, but still not bad. -15, I think, is your seasonal norm for an overnight low. This time of year in Smiths Falls. Kingston, your forecast, a high of 3 and a mix of sun and cloud tomorrow. Enjoy. Bit of a mess moving in Thursday. Not a big one, but we do see some wet flurries, the chance of showers, and as we dip to a -2 overnight, that could be freezing. Friday, it's a mix of sun and cloud, a high 0, back to a +1. Saturday with sunshine, and Sunday mainly sunny with a high of 1. What a gorgeous weekend ahead if it stays this way. You know how forecasts can change. Monday, sunny with a high -2, a little cooler. And back to a -1 on Tuesday, mainly sunny. Enjoy that sunny stretch. Now your weather wallpaper.
Weather Wallpaper is brought to you by Christine Geary's Maple Leaf Tours Travel Cruise. Visit mapleleaftours.com to get into the picture.
Mark Ckws of Kingston sends this picture in, a recent visit to Lemoyne Point. And yeah, a bit of a standoff here. I think that owl is quite shocked that the squirrel would have such nerve. I don't know if this squirrel is trying to protect something or chase the owl away, but don't owls eat squirrels? He's braver than I would be if I was a squirrel. I wouldn't get that close. Anyway, that's a great shot. What a great action shot. Mark, thanks for sending that in. If you've got pictures, share them with us at submissions@ckwstv.com.
You're right in the middle of that feud now.
Doesn't he? That's intimidating. I don't know.
You know, maybe the closer to the owl you are, the better, because it doesn't have a chance to swoop down on you like owls do, right?
Maybe. He's
So
just
when you're
totally
right there,
taken aback by the squirrel's audacity.
Well, yes, they do have that. They're brash, those squirrels. But they also hide behind trees like that one was right there. It's like, what, you want me? You want me? Can't have me. So, Bill, lovely forecast, and it's good to see as we turn the corner into February, we're going to get some sunshine finally, because the last few days have been kind of on the cloudy side for the most part.
Yeah, there's been a shortage of it. You know, there's been a shortage of sunshine for sure. Nice to see that stretch coming our way. And
that is what I think helps brighten people's mood too at this time of year, is just to have the sun out. And so we'll look for more of that in your 10-day outlook later. Thank you, Bill. And Bill was earlier talking about a pleasant forecast over the next 7 days. Can we make it 10, Bill?
It goes beyond that, yeah. Very nice conditions. Look at all that sunshine on the way. Mix of sun and cloud tomorrow, and a high of 3-2 on Thursday. We do have a bit of active weather moving through. Some wet flurries could be mixed with showers close to the lake. There's even a risk of some freezing rain late in the day, but it's out of the way quickly. Come Friday, high 0, mix of sun and cloud. Sunshine over Saturday and Sunday with highs of 1. Cooling off Monday with a high -2. Still sunny though. That sunshine keeping up over Tuesday with a high -1, +1 Wednesday, and a mix of sun and cloud. We see that cloud increasing Thursday of next week with a high of 3, and on Friday 3 degrees, mostly cloudy, and back into a small chance of showers. So yeah, quite a stretch before we get back into the precipitation.
Very nice. Okay, thanks. We'll be right back.
Your long-range weather is watching CKWS News at 11.
High pressure building in the north is going to give you a little bit of sunshine tomorrow. For some of us anyway, cloudy with sunny periods, maybe a mix of sun and cloud. For some people, mainly sunny, getting right into the sunshine. And this low actually looked like it was heading for us, is now moving to the south thanks to this building of high pressure in the north. Both of these highs sort of pushing all that active weather out to sea. We do have a couple more lows building in the north, and as they trough down to our region, we do see a bit of snow. Wet flurries for those areas closer to the lake, with the chance of showers depending how close you are to Lake Ontario. But we are looking at and not very cold temperatures. Just there is a push from the north, but as it moves through, we're still seeing fairly mild conditions. It's following this as that troughing continues that we may see temperatures drop a bit, but by how much? Friday in Belleville, +1 for a daytime high. Does cool off Friday night to a -7, but no great drops in temperature. Enjoy that mix of sun and cloud tomorrow with a high 4. You rise to 3 on Thursday with mostly cloudy conditions, and yes, a 40% chance of wet flurries or showers. Friday it's a high of 1. And a mix of sun and cloud. Very nice day Friday. Brockville, high 3 and cloudy with sunny periods tomorrow. Thursday, +3 and some mixed precipitation is possible. For Friday, a high -1 and a mix of sun and cloud. Smiths Falls rising to 4 Celsius tomorrow, cloudy with sunny periods. Thursday +3, and you've got some mixed precipitation, even a risk of freezing rain late in the evening. Friday high -2 and a mix of sun and cloud. Kingston, your forecast, a high of 3 tomorrow with a mix of sun and cloud. What a lovely day. Thursday, a high of 2. And yes, we could see some wet flurries mixed with showers. There's even a risk of some freezing rain as temperatures dip into the minus range Thursday evening. Friday, it's a mix of sun and cloud with a high 0 up to +1 Saturday, and sunshine, mainly sunny Sunday with a high of 1, and a bit cooler Monday, but still above normal. The seasonal average is -3. We'll hit -2 with sunshine. Tuesday, mainly sunny and a high of -1.